Very good evening. Welcome to Math Classes by MSR. Before classes, we discussed about sine rule, cosine rule, and projection rule. Now, today we are going to discuss about Mollweide rules. Okay. So, in this video, we are going to discuss Mollweide rules as well as problems based on Mollweide rules. So, what it is we are going to discuss now. So, in any triangle ABC, a plus b by c is equals to cos of a minus b by 2 by sin c by 2, which is equals to cos of a minus b by 2 by cos a plus b by 2. Similarly, b plus c by a, cos of b minus c by 2 by sin a by 2, which is equals to cos of b minus c by 2 by cos of b plus c by 2. And third rule, c plus a by b, that is cos of c minus a by 2 by sin b by 2, which is equals to cos of a minus b, c minus a by 2 by cos of c plus a by 2. So like that, a minus b by c. A minus b by c is equals to sin of a minus b by 2 by cos c by 2, which is equal to sin of a minus b by 2 by sin of a plus b by 2, like that. So these are the 6 rules. We call them as Mollweide rules. How each and every one we are going to prove now. First one is a plus b by c. Now earlier we discussed about sine rule. What is sine rule? A by sin a equals to b by sin b equal to c by sin c is equals to r. From there, what is a is equals to, I can write 2r sin a, and b is equals to 2r sin b, and c is equals to 2r sin c. Okay, I can replace a, b, c values with 2r sin a, 2r sin b, 2r sin c in this. So a place 2r sin a, and place of b 2r sin b, in place of c 2r sin c. Okay, now throughout 2r we can take common now, right? 2r if we take common here, sin a plus sin b by 2r sin c. So I can cancel 2r and 2r here. Now sin a plus sin b, sin a plus sin b, we know a transformation formula, right? Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin cos c minus d by 2. Same only hereafter. Sin a plus sin b can be written as 2 sin of a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 by sin c can be written as 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Now what I will do is, we know that in a triangle ABC, a plus b plus c is how much? 180 degrees. Okay, what is a plus b is equals to 180 minus c. Okay, so a plus b by 2 will be how much? That is 90 minus c by 2. A plus b by 2 is 90 minus c by 2. What is sin of a plus b by 2? Sin of a plus b by 2 is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos c by 2. Now sin a plus b by 2 cos c by 2 will be cancelled because both are equal. Now what is the result we got? Cos of a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2 by sin c by 2. Cos of a minus b by 2 by sin c by 2. Now which is equals to, how we will get cos of a minus b by 2 by cos of a plus b by 2? Simple. Here we got a plus b by 2 is equals to 90 minus c by 2. Here you apply cos on both sides. Cos of a plus b by 2 will be equals to cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, that is sin c by 2. So from this you will get cos of a minus b by 2 by sin, in place of sin c by 2 I can write cos of a plus b by 2. Cos of a plus b by 2. So a plus b by c we can write as cos of a minus b by 2 by cos of a plus b by 2. A plus b by c we can write as cos of a minus b by 2 by cos of a plus b by 2. Similarly, all these 5 results can be proved. B plus c by a, here also apply. In place of a sin 2r sin a, in place of b 2r sin b, in place of c 2r sin c. You can prove all the results by using this process. Okay, that's all Molevoid rules. So all these 6 rules we have to remember. Now we are going to solve problems based on Molevoid rules. So you remember this, very easy to remember. A plus b by c cos of a minus b by 2 by sin c by 2, or cos of a minus b by 2 by cos of a plus b by 2. Similarly here a minus b by c, you will get sin of a minus b by 2 by cos c by 2, or sin of a minus b by 2 by sin of a plus b by 2. Similarly b minus c by a, sin of b minus c by 2 by cos c by 2, or sin of b minus c by 2 by sin of b plus c by 2. So these all 6 formulae you can remember. These laws we call it as Molevoid rules. Okay, welcome to math classes by MS sir. Today we are going to discuss about tangent rules or Napier's analogy. In the previous videos we discussed about the subtopics in properties of triangles, as well as sine rule and the problems based on them, cosine rule, problems based on them, projection rules, problems based on them, and after that we discussed about Molevoid rules and problems based on them. Today we are going to discuss about tangent rules or Napier analogy and problems based on them. So in any triangle ABC, what is tangent rules are? What are tangent rules are is tan of a b minus c by 2 equals to b minus c by b plus c cot a by 2. Tan of c minus a by 2 equal to c minus a by c plus c cot b by 2. Tan of a minus b by 2 equal to a minus b by a plus b cot c by 2. So how to prove these 3 rules we are going to discuss now. Let us take a expression b minus c by b plus c. Okay, so we use a sine rule to prove this. That is, a is equals to 2r sin a, b is equals to 2r sin b, c is equals to 2r sin c. So in place of b I will write 2r sin b minus c can be written as 2r sin c by b can be written as 2r sin b plus c can be written as 2r sin c. So 2r I can take common in the numerator, right? So you will get sin b minus sin c by, here also take 2r common, 2r times of sin b plus sin c. Okay, I can take now, I can cancel 2r and 2r here. Now if you see here, sin b minus sin c, we apply a transformation formula, that is 2 cos of b plus c by 2 sin b minus c by 2 by sin b plus sin c 2 sin b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2. Okay, 2 cancel, 2 and 2 is cancelled. You will get here cot b plus c by 2 into tan b minus c by 2. Yes or no? Cos by sin is cot, sin by cos is tan. Now b minus c is equals to b plus c value we got here. Now this tan b cot b plus c by 2, if you send that side, what is that becomes? Tan b plus c by 2 into b minus c by b plus c equals to tan of b minus c by 2. Now, as like previous proofs, we know that a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. B plus c I can write as 180 minus a. Both the sides you divide with 2 by 2 by 2 by 2. This is 90 minus a by 2. Okay. Now tan of b plus c by 2. Both the sides apply tan. Tan of b plus c by 2 equals to tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot a by 2 you will get. So in place of this I can write cot a by 2. So tan of b minus c by 2 equals to b minus c by b plus c in place of this cot a by 2. So this is tangent rule 1, that is tan of b minus c by 2 equals to b minus c by b plus c cot a by 2. Similarly, if we consider and if you follow the same method of proof, you will get the second rule, that is tan of b c minus a by 2 equal to c minus a by c plus a into cot b by 2. Similarly, tan of a minus b by 2 equals to a minus b by a plus b cot c by 2. So these are tangent rules or Napier analogy we say. So tan of b minus c by 2 equals to b minus c by b plus c cot a by 2. Tan of c minus a by 2 equal to c minus a by c plus a cot b by 2. The next one also. So this is a proof of tangent rules and Napier analogy or a Napier analogy. Based on these rules, we are going to discuss some problems. Okay. Okay, now we are going to discuss problems on tangent and Mollweide rules. So based on these two concepts, we are going to discuss some problems. The first problem is if tan of c minus a by 2 equals to k times of cot b by 2, what is the value of k? So if tan of c minus a by 2 equals to k times of cot b by 2, then what is the value of k? So we know that tan c minus a by 2, what is the formula? C minus a by c plus a cot b by 2. Very easy question it is, straight away, direct application, which is equals to k times of cot b by 2. So I am writing the formula for tan c minus a by 2. Tan c minus a by 2 is c minus a by c plus a into cot b by 2, which is equals to k times of cot b by 2. Cot b by 2 will be cancelled. So what is the value of k we got? C minus a by c plus a. This is problem number 1 on tangential rule. Now listen the next problem. B minus c times of cos a by 2 equals to a sin k. Then what is the value of k, they asked. Then what is the value of k? So b minus c into cos a by 2 equals to a into sin k. So what I will rearrange this equation like this. B minus c by a is equals to this cos a by 2 is on that side. Sin k by cos a by 2. So what is the Mollweide rule states for b minus c by a formula? Mollweide rules for b minus c by a. B minus c by a Mollweide rule is sin of b minus c by 2 by cos a by 2, which is equals to sin k by cos a by 2. Both the sides cos a by 2 will be cancelled. Sin of b minus c by 2 equals to sin k. That implies what is the value of k? B minus c by 2. So b minus c into cos a by 2 is equals to a into sin k. Just we applied in this problem Mollweide rule, that is b minus c by a is sin of b minus c by 2 by cos a by 2. Then we got the final answer, k is equals to b minus. Now listen to the third problem. They are given x is equals to tan of b minus c by 2 into tan a by 2. Y is equals to tan of c minus a by 2 into tan b by 2. Z is equals to tan of a minus b by 2 into tan c by 2. Then we have to find the value of x plus y plus z. So this value we have to calculate. So simple. What is x is equals to given? Tan of b minus c by 2 into tan a by 2. What is tan b minus c by 2 formula by tangential rule? B minus c by b plus c cot a by 2 into tan a by 2. Cot a by 2 to tan a by 2 value how much? 1. So x is equals to b minus c by b plus c. Similarly, what will be the value of y and z? Similarly, what will be the y value? This also if you write as a minus b by a plus b into cot c by 2 into tan c by 2, you will get z value a minus b by a plus b. Y value c minus a by c plus a. So y value c minus a by c plus a. Next, z value a minus b by a plus b. Now we have to find the value of x plus y plus z. So I am applying the x plus y plus z. X is b minus c by b plus c. Y is c minus a by c plus a. Z is a minus b by a plus b. X is b minus c by b plus c. Y is c minus a by c plus a. Z is a minus b by a plus b. Just I will take the LCM here. B plus c into c plus a into a plus b. That is b minus c into c plus a into a plus b. B minus c into c plus a into a plus b. That is the first term. What will be the second term? C minus a into b plus c into a plus b. B plus c into a plus b. Okay. Plus again a minus b into b plus c into c plus a. B plus c into c plus a. So this is what we got. Okay. So what is the next step? Simple. What I do is I will take just a plus b common from first two terms. If I take a plus b common, here I will get b minus c into c plus a. So I will simplify that. bc, ba, next minus c square and minus ac. Okay. Again, if I take a plus b common, here left with these two terms. So that also I will simplify. cb plus c square minus ab minus ac. Okay. So this is simplification of first two terms. The last term as it is I will write. A minus b times of b plus c into c plus a whole by b plus c into c plus a into a plus b. Okay. Now check it out. Any cancellations? Minus c square plus c square out, cancelled. Plus ba minus ba out, cancelled. So left with bc minus ac. Again plus bc minus 2ac. So you will get bc plus bc 2bc minus ac minus 2ac. So you will get there a plus b times of into 2 times of bc minus ac. bc minus ac. That I can take here also c common. You will get bc minus ac. Okay. So 2 times of a plus b into c into b minus a I got here. This into this term. Plus a minus b times of b plus c into c plus a by b plus c into c plus a into a plus b. Now you check it out. In these two terms, I can take a minus b common or not? I can take a minus b common from both the terms because it is b minus a or a minus b. So if I take a minus b common, what I am going to get, you check it out. Here minus times of this you will get, that is minus 2ac minus 2bc. Minus 2ac minus 2bc because I have taken y minus b common, so minus of this term. This is what this product you will write bc, b into a ba, next plus c square plus c into a ca by b plus c into c plus a into a plus b. Okay. Now you check it out. A minus b times of minus 2ac plus ac is minus ac. Minus 2bc plus bc is minus bc plus ba plus c square by b plus c into c plus a into a plus b. Now you observe next step to this, a minus b times of, here if I take first term and last term you take. From these two terms I can take c common, right? C if you take common, c minus a you will get. Okay. From these two terms minus bc and plus ba, if I take minus b common, I will get c minus a again here by b plus c into c plus a into a plus b. So you will get here a minus b into, here c minus a take common, c minus a into c minus b by b plus c into c plus a into a plus b. Okay, so what is the x value we got? X value, what is the x value we have? X is equals to b minus c by b plus c, y is equals to c minus a by c plus a, z is equals to a minus b by a plus b. Now we are finding the value of x plus y plus z, right? So what is the value of x plus y plus z? We will check it out. So I will write like this, a minus b by a plus b, so denominator a plus b, numerator a plus b, into c minus a by c plus a into, here c minus b is there, no, so I will take minus common, it becomes b minus c by b plus c. Now this can be written as x into y into z, that is minus x y z, minus x y z. Okay, so now what is the value of x plus y plus z we got? Minus x y z. Now listen to the next problem. Tan of a minus b by 2 is equals to 1 by 3 times of tan of a plus b by 2. Then what is the ratio? A is a and ratio of a and b they ask. So a is to b value they ask. So tan of a minus b by 2. What is the formula we have? A minus b by a plus b cot c by 2. That is 1 by 3 times of tan of a plus b by 2. What is the value? A plus b plus c is 180. A plus b is 180 minus c. Okay. A plus b by 2 is 180 by 2 minus c by 2. Right? That is 90 minus c by 2. Okay. What is tan of a plus b by 2? Tan 90 minus theta is cot c by 2. Okay. Now in place of tan of a plus b by 2 you can write cot c by 2. So as it is a triangle, so no angle will be equals to So a minus b by a plus b into cot c by 2 is equals to 1 by 3 into cot c by 2. So cot c by 2 cancel. You will left with a minus b by a plus b equals to 1 by 3. Cross multiply. 3a minus 3b equals to a plus b. Okay. Bring the a terms to left hand side, b terms to right hand side. So 3a minus a is equals to b minus 3b is on that side plus 3b. Okay. So 2a is equals to 4b. 2a is equals to 4b. Divide on both sides with b. So you will get 2a by, that is a by b equals to 4 by 2. That is a is to b is equals to 1 times 2 times, that is 2 is to 1. So a is to b is equals to how much we got? 2 is to 1. So these are the problems based on tangent rule as well as Mollway rules.